The native 4K video generator is officially here. To show you why it matters, I created 6 side-by-side comparisons using the exact same prompt. On the left is the full HD AI video model, and on the right is the BytePlus Seedance 2.0 4K model. 1. Motion stability. Even during motion, the native 4K version maintains sharper details with less flickering and distortion, resulting in smoother, more stable footage. 2. Lighting and shadows. Lighting transitions are smoother with the native 4K version, while the shadows appear more natural, adding depth and realism to the scene. 3. Metal reflections. The native 4K version produces cleaner reflections and more accurate highlights, giving metal surfaces a more lifelike appearance. 4. Product edges. Product edges look noticeably sharper with the native 4K version, creating a cleaner and more polished result. 5. Fabric details. Fabric textures and stitching look much more defined with the native 4K version, making clothing and materials appear more realistic. 6. Skin texture. In this skin texture test, the native 4K model preserves much finer skin details. That's a huge advantage for professional ads and AI filmmaking. As you can see, native 4K is more than just a resolution upgrade. It delivers a level of detail and realism that's much better suited for commercial projects, product marketing, and professional AI filmmaking. What's in it for you? Most AI videos are often called AI slop because many models still produce glitchy and inconsistent results. But today, that era is finally coming to an end with the new BytePlus Seedance 2.0 4K. It generates native 4K videos, not upscaled or interpolated footage. Once you learn how to use BytePlus Seedance 2.0 4K API, you'll be able to create commercial-quality, client-ready AI videos, work faster without waiting in queues, scale your content production, and keep your production costs under control. Why BytePlus Seedance 2.0 4K API? Before we continue and create professional quality AI videos with Seedance 2.0 4K, you need to know why I'm using the BytePlus API in this tutorial. 1. Cost efficiency. One of the biggest advantages of using BytePlus is its transparent pay-as-you-go pricing. As ByteDance's official cloud platform for enterprises, it provides direct access to the full Seed model family, including Seedance 2.0 4K and Seedream with no hidden fees, making it easier to manage production costs as you scale. 2. Faster generation. Since this is the official API, video generation is much faster than on other platforms that offer Seedance 2.0 4K. No annoying waiting queues and no wasted time. It's perfect for creators, businesses, and professionals who value speed and efficiency. 3. Batch generation. Most platforms only provide a web interface for generating videos with Seedance 2.0 4K. However, BytePlus gives you API access, allowing you to automate the entire workflow and generate videos in batches using automation platforms like Make.com or N8N. This makes it ideal for producing AI ads, social media content, product videos, and other large-scale video projects. If you're new to the BytePlus Seedance 2.0 4K API, you can use the link in the video description below to get started and choose the plan that best fits your needs. BytePlus Playground. BytePlus Playground is a user-friendly interface that supports multiple AI models, including LLMs, video generation, and image generation models. To access the Playground, go to the console, select ModelArk, click Playground, then choose Media. To generate a 4K AI video, open the Video Generation tab and select Seedance 2.0 4K model. Next, upload an image, video, or audio reference if needed. Write your prompt, then go to Settings, select your preferred aspect ratio, and enable the 4K option. For duration, either select the video length manually or choose Smart Length to let the AI determine the optimal duration for better cost efficiency. Next, select the number of videos to generate and enable output sound if you want audio in your video. Finally, click Generate to start the generation process. Here's the result from this part. Batch video generation. If this is your first time using an API, don't worry, I'll make it easy to understand. I've created a Seedance 2.0 batch generator web app that you can copy and use for free. You can find the link in the video description below. For complete transparency, I'm sharing it as an HTML source code, so you can review every line yourself. All you need to do is copy the code, open a text editor like Notepad, save it as an .html file, and then open it in your browser. Next, paste your API key. To get one, open the BytePlus Playground, click Access API, create a new API key, copy it, and paste it into the API key field. After that, select the Seedance model you want to use, choose the 4K resolution, aspect ratio, and video duration. In this example, I want to batch generate AI fashion models wearing my products by uploading product images. You can use the same prompt or modify it to match your own product style. Upload your image, then click Add New Prompt to add as many prompts as you need. Once everything is ready, click Start to begin the batch generation process. You can monitor the progress in the results section. When the generation is complete, simply download all the videos to your computer. This way, you can generate multiple videos at once instead of one by one, making your workflow much faster when creating large amounts of content. Thank you for watching this BytePlus Seedance 2.04K API review and tutorial. If you're a creator, freelancer, studio, or brand looking to integrate AI video into your production workflow, you can connect to the BytePlus Seedance 2.04K API using the link in the video description below. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials.